Hi, my Defy f640 side by side have been giving me endless problems. The red light comes on and the freezer does not freeze at all. A technician replaced the sensor and the PC board refilled the gas and it was still doing the same thing. Then he replaced the sensor again and it is still happening. On the first few occasions when I switched the fridge on and off at the wall plug, then the fan would start running again. Now it does not do that anymore and I don't know how to get the fan to start running again. What exactly can be the problem? Please, I am at wit's end with this fridge, please help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.